Alright family, so we're looking at a 2018 GCE paper 2. The question reads, three villages A, B and C are connected by the straight path as shown below. So you have A, B and C. You have been given the side A to B, which is 15 kilometers, and you have not been given AC, you have not been given BC. How many angles have you been given? You have been given two angles, this one at B and this one at C. Now, what do we use when we've been given two angles and one side? We use the sine rule. So since we use the sine rule to determine the distance, and so we've identified that we use the sine rule, let's look at the question. It says calculate the distance AC. So to determine the distance, remember we've already identified that we use the sine rule, and the formula under sine rule we say it is A over sine A, okay, is equivalent to B over sine B, it is equivalent to C over sine C. Now, between these three, 1, 2, 3, we use only 2. But the question is, how do we determine the one that we'll use? So for us to determine one that we'll use, let's check. We look at the sides. Are we together? Was there any side that we were given? Now, how do we determine the side that we were given? We name them. Look at this. You've seen this capital letter A. The angle at A, its opposite is here, so we'll name it to be the small letter A. This B, its opposite is this side, we'll name it to be B. And C, the opposite is this side, we'll name it to be the small letter C. Now, what small letter size were we given? We were given C, small letter, right, as 15. So we use C. Apart from C, what side are we looking for? We're looking for the side AC. Now, from A to C, what small letter side do we have? I mean, yes, do we have? We have B. So we're using C and B. Are we together? So I said determine one that you're looking for, one that you have, it is C, and one that you're looking for, it is B. Okay, so always you need to find this missing angle. Now when you add this angle and this one, because the rule says angles in a triangle they add up to 180, therefore it should give us 180. Therefore we just say we add the 2 and subtract from 180, it will give us what? That angle which is missing. So we just say 180 minus the 2 will give us what? 119, which should be a 61. Are we together? Now let's start. Since we're using B and C, what is the small letter? What is small letter B? It's the one that we're looking for. It is the side BC, okay, over sine. What is sine B? B is 79, is equivalent to what is C small letter? C small letter being a 15. So say we have a 15 divided by what is sine C. So we'll just say sine what? Sine 40, okay? Then we'll cross multiply. 15 will multiply with the sine 79 is equivalent to BC will multiply with the sine 40. We'll divide both sides by sine 40, and also here by sine 40. Sine 40 and sine 40 will go remain with BC. BC is equivalent to, when multiply 15 multiplied by sine 79 divided by sine 40 will get a 22.9. This is the side BC, and we're given 4 marks for it. Number 2, find the area of the triangle ABC. So remember, we need also, so this was a 1, and this is a Roman numeral number 2. We know that area is equivalent to 1 over 2 BC sine A. Okay, sine A. Just because they said sine A, it doesn't mean that we should use this one. Hear me properly on this one. And just because here they are saying A, B, C doesn't mean that we should use B. No. What we do is we determine, draw a line or a margin rather, where you were given a side. A side that you were given, it is this one, right? And draw a line to the side where you found. The side that you found is this one, right? Then our area will be equivalent to 1 over 2. What side was I given? C. Are we together? C multiplied by what side did I find? I found the side B. Okay, multiplied by sine. Now, where are the two lines meeting from? They're meeting from A. Okay, so I'll say area is equivalent to 1 over 2 multiplied by 15, okay, as my C, and multiplied by 22.9 multiplied by sine 61. Hence my area will just be equivalent to 150 in kilometers squared, like this. Okay, now how do I determine my shortest distance? Shortest distance, number 3, is, we just say shortest distance is equivalent to 2a over b. So it will just be 2, what is my a? My area being 150, okay, divided by the distance that I calculated was 22.9, which will just give me 13 in kilometers. This is how we deal with questions under trigonometry. If you have any challenges, please let's communicate.